Today, I'm going to share some cool new features on the FeetFinder website. Hi everyone! First, before we go deeper into today's video, let me give a massive shout out to our loyal followers and subscribers. FeetFinder has grown significantly over the past year because of your love and support. Feet buying and selling are now becoming a trend. It seems like everybody's into it. Sarah Silverman is talking about her feet pics now. No kidding. Just look at pop culture and how popular selling and buying feet pictures is. FeetFinder is the best place to buy and sell feet content. It is the website where you can earn legit money. Check out their reviews on their website by Trustpilot. It's the bomb. But FeetFinder is not just about making money. It's also a great place to connect with others who are into feet. And a bunch of new and exciting features have just been unveiled. You know, all these improvements come from requests from FeetFinder fans. The highlight new feature that they added to the Favorites tab is the messaging, which allows sellers to send mass messages to their subscribers and followers with just one click. With this new feature, sellers can get more sales quickly and conveniently. Remember, often the most significant sales come from direct messaging. The next feature is paying to unlock newly uploaded content, like the popular feature in OnlyFans. The Features tab will help sellers keep track of everything, and it also helps with sales. And now there is a Show All icon that will also show all the photos and videos you bought. Makes it easy. Message boosting is another feature that will help you stand out in the message feed, even above premium users. This feature will help increase the exposure of your profile so much more. And the best part, the more boost you buy, the cheaper it gets. Another update allows you to link your social accounts and contact information, giving you more chances of maximizing your sales and being found. Buyers can unlock those links by purchasing them. This update is great because once you link social media accounts, it's easier to share their content to Reddit and Twitter with just a click of a button. We're adding more features to your profile page as part of our plan for future developments, so let us know if you think of something. And if you're a buyer, we are adding more buyer filters in the search box. This will help you find what you want. You can select to filter sellers with or without reviews, and if they're either verified or not, and gender preferences. Much easier. Also, now when you hover over the seller's profile page, we have also added a few exciting buttons such as follow, give a tip, subscribe, offer, and even send a direct message. Some of your free media content, including photos, videos, and social links, is also shown on your seller profile page. Oh, and like other websites, we also included an activity status for each seller on how long they've been active on the website, which can be seen in the seller's menu. This way, buyers would know whose seller is likely to be most active and responsive. Back to the added filter feature. Buyers can sort content according to the latest or most popular ones. There's even a preview of the gallery as to how many photos or videos you can receive from your purchase. Buyers can also have more filters, such as location, age, price, experience, foot size, gender, race, and other categories. These are just some of the exciting new features you'll find on FeetFinder, and we are always working on more. We want your feet buying and selling journey the best it can be. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video so we can be one of the first to learn more about all that is going on at FeetFinder.